All right, guys, today's 14-minute interval. Let's just try to get the best that you could possibly get. Don't leave anything left. I'm breathing a little heavy because I just had a very good warm-up. Make sure you do the same. If you're just swinging by for the first time, big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know every time that we upload. Get your water, get your towel, do whatever you have to do. Get yourself ready. Let's hit this hard. All right, hit the pause, get yourself ready mentally, physically, your supplies, or whatever you need, and I'll see you on the machine, okay? Don't come until you're ready, because I'm telling you, we're gonna hit this hard. All right.
Okay guys, get that last deep breath in, check that alternative heart monitor, and let's go in 3, 2, 1. Hit that max button, get into it. This is the normal way, 25 seconds of a sprint. Everything you got, come on, let's really give it a good go here. Get that heart racing up there. Keep pumping it out, pumping it out. You got 11 seconds left, stay with it. Remember, fight right through it. Don't worry about stopping it as soon as it comes to a halt. 1 second, and ease off there. Now, I meant it when I said that we are going to work hard. I am going to keep the tempo up high here. I want a good number at the end of this 14 minutes. Got 60 seconds left, plenty of time to recover. Remember guys, support the channel by clicking the links below. The coldest water bottle is the official water bottle of this channel. We got 50 seconds left here, still plenty of time to recover. Whatever you put in that water bottle, if you don't finish it up today, 24 hours later, it'll still be nice and refreshing. 35 seconds left before the next interval. Also, the Bowflex Max Trainer is the main feature of this channel. I have a clickable link for you to go right to Bowflex and check out everything they got. 18 seconds. I'm going to keep it pretty high here on the relaxation. 10 seconds. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and ramp it up, guys. Come on. No laying back now. We've been taking it easy. Now we really want to get a good workout in. This is sprint day. We got 15 seconds. Keep it going. 10 seconds left. Come on. Fight through it. You got 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Bring it down. And you do what you have to do to relax. I need you to recover. That means right now you should be sucking all that air in, nice deep breaths, getting all that oxygen enriched inside those lungs so we can get down to your legs. We got 60 seconds left on the recovery. And now, if you're going to spin at a nice tempo, make sure that you're using equal parts of your body, the upper and the lower, the arms, the shoulders, full extensions. Help them legs out. If you're struggling with the resistance, adjust it now. I'm running at a 12 right now. I feel pretty good, I feel comfortable, but if it starts to get a little too much, I'll readjust it. Don't be afraid to fool around with it. If you have to go down a little lower, spin a little faster, that's all. We got 20 seconds left on the recovery. 15. Come on, you should be nice, steady breathing right here. 10 seconds left. We got 3, 2, 1. Juice it up, guys. 25 seconds of a sprint. Don't pay attention to it, just nice and steady. Get a nice feel, sprint through it. We got 10 seconds left of the sprint. Come on, fight through it. We are all suffering here. You can relax in a second. There you go, bring it down. Good job. Remember guys, this is the recovery here. If you cannot spin at the rate that I'm spinning, slow it down. One trick that I have taught you before, if you're not fully recovering, take your hands off the handlebars. Put them down on the post and force yourself to slow way down. The recovery is important if you're not used to this tempo. "45 seconds left. Nice, steady, deep breaths. Nice and relaxed. Those arms should be a full extension all the way out, all the way back, from your shoulder to your tricep to your bicep on the way pulling back. Use the whole entire upper body. Got 20 seconds. $15 left, still plenty of time. 10 seconds. Let's start getting ready. Let's mentally get ready right now. 5 seconds coming up. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. It's time to work. Come on. Come on, stop playing around. Let's go. This is the interval. This is where you drop the weight. This is where you sweat it out. 10 seconds left. Come on. I know you want to stop, but you're not going to. Keep it moving. 1 second. All right, relax, relax, relax. There you go. Keep in the back of your mind, we're all going through the same thing. You don't want to be the only one in the group that drops out. Okay? Everyone working out with me, we are a team. We need each other. We rely on each other. So when the interval comes out for 25 seconds, we all do our part. 45 seconds, plenty of time to recover. Guys, if you're just swinging by my page here, this is the Oil Field Workout Guy. I am Joe, your host that is spinning. We feature the Bowflex Max Trainer for the main equipment here. And today we are currently doing the 14-minute interval. We are pushing it hard today, trying to get some good numbers in here. We have 15 seconds left on the recovery. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Don't you dare rip me off. You lay into that machine and kick its butt. It's a few seconds of suffering. Let's go. I am not playing around no more. You come to this page, we're going to work. Keep it going. You got 5 seconds left. Anyone can do 5 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. See? See, you can do it. It's in your head. It has always been in your head that you want to stop. As I was saying, guys, this is a 14-minute HIIT workout. This is where we sprint for 25 seconds and we relax for 80 seconds. It's a 14-minute interval drill. Within those 14 minutes, we're seeing how many calories we can burn. If you're brand new to this, the 200 calories that you see on the commercial is probably going to be really hard. But I promise you, you stick with me. You stick with this, with my YouTube page. You stick with the group. Find yourself a Facebook group. We got 30 seconds. Find yourself a Facebook group. Get encouraged. Keep working out with me, and you will be one of my pros on here. 20 seconds. 15. Come on. Nice deep breath in those lungs. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 25 seconds. I want you, wherever that red dot is, where you were from the previous time, I want you up there again. Let's go. Or just even close to it. You don't have to be 100%, but you have to be better than what your relaxation was. 3, 2, 1, relax, again, relax. There you go. I told you, man, how many times I gotta tell you, you can do this. It's mental right now. Get yourself relaxed, change your hand positions. Change your resistance. Have you noticed I changed my resistance? I dropped it down to 10. I'm spinning a little faster now. I made it relaxing on my legs. I was feeling a little uncomfortable with the 12 and I dropped it down. Even I do that. Don't be afraid. Don't be one of these people that, oh, I started off on 14 of a resistance. I have to stay there. Your machine will calculate the difference for you. Your job is to spin the darn machine. 30 seconds. I want you to leave the office, the work, whatever you do for your job. I want that wiped out, cleared out of your head right now. 15 seconds. The only thing you should be worried about is you right now and having a good workout. 10 seconds and we go into another sprint. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on. Come on, we don't have too many more left here. You have to get it moving. You should be set a goal for yourself and you should be striving to get that calorie burn. You got 10 seconds left. Don't you dare stop short. Don't you dare. I know you were trying to. 3, 2, 1, go past it. There you go. Let that 25 seconds count out. You should be in full sprint even when it stops counting out and then slowly come down and relax. Guys, just think for every second that you stay past that 25 seconds, that's more of a calorie burn you're getting. 60 seconds. You got one more interval to go, guys. Remember guys, the coldest water bottle is the official water bottle of this channel. Look at that beautiful green one down there in the corner. I made it a clickable link right down in the description for you. What you gotta do is go check them out. Also, anything you need from Bowflex, not just the Bowflex Max Trainer. They got treadmills, they got stepper climbers, they got dumbbells, they got benches, they got the original Bowflex, where the name came from. They have everything you need for a full gym. Go check them out, guys. 10 seconds left. Last sprint left. You better get every bit of it. You better. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, crank it, man. What are you waiting for? There's no tomorrow. What are you waiting for? Lay into it. 15 seconds. Anyone can do 15 seconds. Come on. Be honest with yourself right now and get it. Let's go. Come on. You got 5 seconds left. And I want you to go through it. Alright. We just got to find the finish line now. 75 seconds left. We just got to find the finish line. I'm at 457 calories right now. I'm telling you right now, I want 500. So guess who does not get to relax? Yeah, you guessed it. That would be me. You better be doing the same thing as me right now. Whatever calories you need to make up right now, because you slouched a little bit like I did, you better be making it up. 470. I still got 47 seconds left. I'm telling you right now, I want 500. Whatever you want, you just be fighting for it. Throw up a realistic number that's not realistic right now and just try to go get it. 479, 480. I got 30 seconds left. I want 500. I don't even know if I'm gonna do it. I'm still fighting. Look, I'm almost into the red zone. I'm supposed to be relaxing right now, recovering. I'm in the red zone. I got 15 seconds left. I still got 9 more calories I have to get, 8 more, 7 more. 495, 496. I got 5 seconds left. 498, 499. Boom, I just got my 500. I just got my 500. 501. I'd say catch your breath. Catch your breath. I'll see you on the after talk. Great workout.
All right, guys. I still haven't caught my breath there. 501 calories. I didn't say it in the beginning, but I was shooting for the 500. You know, you just gotta keep going and pushing. And I know that last 80 seconds is a cool down, but if you gotta make up some calories and get it, that's where you get it, man. So, let's see what the iPhone watch, what it came out with. It's not bad, 167 on my heart rate. You know, the way I was cranking that out, that's an average. So it says I made it all the way up to 180, which is still good. I'm still not tacking out. So I still got some left in the tank. All right. Keep trying, man. Just, I'm pleading with you. Chase me down, get me, and keep trying. No excuses. All right? There's no tomorrow. It's today. All right. Love you.